Hey guys, are you okay? Let's go for another video here on the Hackintosh Beyond channel. I'm going to talk a little bit with you about the compilation of our Hackintool. It's a really cool tool. Yeah, we use it. It's our Swiss Army knife. Right guys? So it's important that it works well within the rack, within macOS. And I'm going to show you an easier way to master it, to compile it on the system, right, and make it more native. So I'm going to use Tops tools here on the channel, right? A tool that I use a lot. I am improving it every day I put it. Programs on it haven't been a day since I put them, right? So I'm going to enter here. I'm in my repository. I'm going to leave the links to always in the description of the videos, right? Here. Oh, come here in releases. I'm on version 101 of this program, Top Tools. Here are the programs that are available. Instilled in him, huh? There's a lot of programming, guys, so you can have fun there. Anyone who has left there from Windows can also be downloading here Tops bash tools that you can install through Gitback on Windows, so it's important you know that. And then I also include Hackintool or Apple Silicon that we are going to do here in what I am going to show you, the procedure. And then I also include the OpenCore CPLify, and the hardware sniffer is also here. Oh, it's pretty cool, the tool. I put a lot of things and I will include improvements for you there as appropriate. I'm also going to include the binaries of OpenCore, boot, OpenCore a little further there because I'm seeing an easier way to do it. So we come here, come down here. You have the whole explanation. So we can go down here or download bash itself. The app I advise for those who are in MEC, for those who are in Windows or Linux, is always low bash. I will enter here. I'm going to put it here. Oh, I left it like 2. I'm going to leave it here. Oh, will it make 2 clicks there? The tool at first it won't open like this, gives a, okay, here comes system adjustment. Privacy and security, come down here. Oh, open yourself up, open just like that. Enter your password, enter there. It will open this window for us. I'm going to increase it a little here so we can make it a little clearer to see. So here is, as I explained to you at the beginning of the video, all the tools that we use to formalize Wi-Fi, right? A Wi-Fi there from Windows, leaving Windows until arriving on Mac OSA. Guys, there's a tool here, right? Even Python, which is a must for anyone who is going to mess with these tools, is installing on the system. So when you open it, it generates this folder here, Tops tools, which is empty, right? At first it's empty here, so I haven't passed anything here yet. So here, in case you don't have one, Python might be going to option 18. Here he'll be right there. On macOS it will already do the installation if you don't have one. In Linux also the same thing, it already does the installation. In Windows it downloads the .exe file. The exit point for you to install always comes in the latest version. For example, if I didn't have Python here, I'll come in option 18. He'll install via home Brill. Since I already have the version here, it will let me know that I already have it. Okay, I already have this version here, but it's not linked yet. But okay, just to show you here, let's assume that I need the SSBT theme here, right? I can download it here. Option 6 is already here for me in Windows. For those who want to leave Wi-Fi there with Opcore Simplify, you can come in option 20. Option 21, which needs the hardware sniffer. Oh, the application is already here. Let me see. It's got to be like 15 MB by 13 MB. That's right? Which is already the app there. So what I'm going to show you today is this guy here. Oh, that I increased. If you want to be downloading the Hackintool directly, you can come to option 4.0. Then it already downloads directly. This is how we are going to compile today. Make it more native there within the most current system. Is it for your Pro Xcode system there? So we're going to put everything in the latest version of Xcode, the hacking documentation, everything. So we'll come up with this option here. We can compile it for Intel or Apple Silicon. Okay guys, so let's go here in option 19. Oh, downloading the documentation for us. Just wait a little longer. And okay, then here I can close. I won't need anything else. If you need it, here are the tools for you. This is a very cool tool that I created here for the channel and Pro. For subscribers as well, and especially for channel members, those people who are running with me, right, who are buying the fight. That's very interesting. I make a lot of tools here to make people's lives easier. So let's close the 0 here to exit. Close the Tops tool terminal. Let's enter here in. We can even leave it here now. Ready, let's leave it here. Oh, let's open it here, enter here in the document. In Xcode, you have to have Xcode installed to compile. It's very important, it's already the rule. So you can't install, oh, it's in the Mac version, the S10.13, the documentation. The first thing we are going to do is install and update the Xcode here, the project. They leave it that way because there might be someone using an earlier version and all. They leave it in 3.2 just in case. Someone who is using an earlier version of Xcode on another system, also earlier than this one, or even older, has the possibility to do the compilation. So I'm going to come here for the latest version that I want to make the app more compatible with the system I'm using now. So I'll come here for you. Oh, let me just show you here. Oh, it's already in the Apple Silica version, but who is Apple Silica Intel for? So for those who are in the real EMEC, you may be making this compilation right here. But first of all, we will update here a recommended update. You can stretch those first two as well. Oh, leave all of the options stretched here. Oh, come here at Perform Change Continue. It gives a warning here, but this one here, you can do the upgrade without fear. Oh, pretty simple. I'm going to teach two ways, both here by the Xcode. That is very simple doing this update. Oh, Let me see here the version. Oh, it's already been to 11. It's great. We can use it calmly here. If you also want to put it in the last one, I don't advise it because it's interesting for if you're going to test another system, right? With this same compilation, it's cool you keep at 11 here. So I just came here. Oh, compile. Come here at the start. He will compile it for us kind of automatically. I am now in version 403. 4.0.3. Oh, it's already opened here for us. That's very cool. It's already well updated. So I'm here at the club. Oh, you don't need to configure anything else. It will open normally. Oh, it's really cool. It gets native, guys, then downloaded. Sometimes it gives some kind of trouble recognizing some things. So it's important that you compile here for you to see what you might be extracting from this native compiled hacking to there on the system. This compilation is very interesting. You can only do it through Tops tools because this is a source code directly from the developer there, the one they leave in the repository itself. It is a little complicated for you to compile. It can be done, but it takes a lot of work and it's not worth it. So this one here that I put on the Tops tools base, which is Apple Silicon, then you can do this compilation easily. Here you can do any kind of extraction. For example, I'm going to make a folder here from the ACPS. Okay? CPS. Oh, make a folder here. It's empty. I'm going to pull my ACPs here from the Hackintosh that I just compiled. I'll come here, utilities. Oh, this option here. Oh, dump is the CPI. Notice that everything is marked. Oh, I don't need to mark anything. I came here, here it is on the table. Oh, the folder I made is the CPIS, seeing here. Oh, just choose. Everything will come here, is very fast. Works very well. It's very interesting. Oh, he talks well with the system. This compiled here is really cool, so you have the extraction of your ACPIs. Here's the USB part. Where's this little guy? Where did he compile it? Let's go. That it went somewhere, right? It's already updated there since it's the warnings, but it's not a mistake. There's no mistake. You can close the documentation here. It's already okay for us. So now we're going to add it to applications. Let's come here on the main HD. Users then, in this case, is your name that will appear here. I can come here. I will press Shift point comma to appear the library folder that is hidden. I will come here in developer Xcode deliver data, and here we have here the Hackintosh comes here in the build products folder. Here is the release. Oh, it's in here, so you can get it. Oh, I'll open it here, normal. It won't ask for permission because it's something I created within the system using the source code. It is much more native here, clean. It is running 11 smooth ways here in the system. Then you can download it. It is to pass it here. Press the The option is for you, so he doesn't leave here, right? If you need a backup, something like this plays here in applications, it will ask you to replace it, which is my case. I already have one here, but I will only replace it. Oh, the option, when you hold it, oh, the little more appears, then it copies. Now, if you leave nothing here, for example, oh, I'm going to release the option, I'm going to put it here on the table, it will disappear, okay? Oh, it's gone here, so I'll send it here. I didn't press the option. Now, if I hold drag here and press option, it will copy there. Pretty simple there. So the second compilation is pretty simple too, right? Who has seen me compile test here? Do you know how it works? So let's open the terminal here. Oh, here inside the folder we download. Oh, and to return to take over the hidden folders here is like the shift point again. Then get out of here, okay? So we don't have the build folder here yet. So it's very simple here. Oh, we'll open the terminal there. Let me increase this guy. Type there, CD, throw the folder here. Oh, the way it is. Can play there, gives an enter, Xcode, build. Oh, this way, here you write, oh, Xcode build, give an enter there, and then it will compile the same way. But here you will see. The process will appear the build folder here. Oh, as soon as finish the process here, oh, build success. The build folder has appeared here for us. Here we have the release of the easy, so it does not ask for authorization. It's the same thing, only done by the terminal, the same thing as the... What Xcode does there is much easier. But I decided to show you the two procedures. This is a tool that we use a lot, guys. So it's important to have it installed well within the system. Is it worth it? Here has all the peripheral part is installed inside my system here. So it makes an excellent read when it is compiled into the system. You can see he opened up here easy, right? I didn't have any kind of concern. You can update the PCEE part here, and I have another video as well that's pretty quick. I'll leave it until then on the card, which is like updating. The PCI part of do Hackintool. So there's plenty of information here. You can extract a lot from this compiled here. It's very important. It's doing it. It's a good read. Everything is updated and using top tools here on the channel. Soon I will make a different video of this guy FerramentasTops. For you is to take a look, but I will do it there through Windows. For those who have left, Windows also have to know this tool that is very important. Well, there's a lot here. There's a lot of program. This tool is actually very interesting. I use a lot here in the channel, this tool and the compiler, and now we have its open core updates and Clover updates. So there's a lot of news even there here, okay? Update Clover and update Open Core. Now I'm updating the boots through this one of these tools here. Very interesting too, so there is a lot of news there for you. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. Be smart for more videos. Sign up for channels. Become members. There are many things for members. There are many advantages. There are exclusive support for members within Discord. In case you have a question, are you setting up a Wi-Fi from scratch? You can talk to me directly there on Discord as a member of the channel, okay? Don't forget when you become members, folks. Yes, please put it there in Discord group. That's your name. I can add you to various tabs which are exclusive to Discord. All right, my friends. Stay blessed until the next video, and peace to everyone.